Hi everybody, I got another Temu package. I thought I would do a little unboxing today and show you what I got. This, I purchased these things from Temu inspired by planning for my upcoming cruise to Alaska. You guys know I live in Florida. It's not so cold here, which is a good thing, but that means that I need to add a few items of clothing that can be good in colder weather. So I saw some things on Temu. I thought I would take a chance and try them out, but I don't know. We're gonna open it up and see what's what. Hi there, this is Alisa and this channel is Alisa's Adventures in Cruising. Today I am going to bring you a Temu unboxing. If you don't know, I've done one unboxing from Temu once before in preparation for a cruise to the Caribbean. Next year I am going to be cruising to Alaska. I happen to live in Florida, which is not so cold, which is a good thing most of the time, but it also means that I don't have a lot of clothing for colder weather. So I saw some things on Temu. I thought I would go ahead and order and give it a try and see how we do. So that's what this video is all about. I'm going to open up this package and show you what I got. And I don't know. I may need to go ahead and do a try on as well so that I know. so that I know. Anyway, I did notice that this package, I don't know if Temu has changed its packaging or if it is, if it alternates, but this one is not the bright orange that we had once before. There's some different colors, but yes, I'm really hoping I like how it fits because it seems like it'd be very warm and toasty. Okay, so I think this is a two-piece knit sort of jogging set, but it looks like a cable knit design. Excuse me, I'm not sure if you can see the cable knit design on the camera, but like I said, I've only ordered from Temu once before. That time, the items that I got fit well, but I haven't shopped there again since. So let's see how this goes. So that's one thing. That's the first thing. This two-piece long sleeve jogger set that looks like cable knit. It feels like a nice weight. Again, I haven't had to buy winter clothes in a long time, and all my friends that have been to Alaska and cruised to Alaska say, I just need some things for layering. I don't have to totally bundle up, but I want the layers that I have to be pretty warm. So I'm gonna try that in just a second, I think. Hi guys, well this is the outfit that I was really super excited about. I couldn't wait to get it. You guys tell me, I mean, I think it's a little roomy, which is, I wasn't sure about the sizing, so I did go ahead and size up. If you don't like your sweatshirts and sweatpants to fit looser, I would get the normal size, your regular size. But if you want a little extra room, like I do in this case, just in case I need to layer under it, I think I like the little extra room. It is very soft. It feels comfy. I like the pockets, I like the color, hopefully I can keep it clean, and I really like the knit design. So I think this is a good thing. Kindly leave a comment below and let me know what you think. This back and front. And then this, I believe, is just a white blouse, but again, long sleeved. And my hopes was that I could wear that with, dress it up or dress it down, basically. Wear it with jeans or wear it with a nice skirt or something for dinner. The thing with this is that it had very puffy sleeves, if you know what I mean. So I will try that on and see how I like it. Okay, I love this blouse. Now, I like a good crisp white shirt, and I feel like this fits the bill. I am talking about things for Alaska, so I'm a little bit worried about being cold, and so I think I'm going to enjoy the button up all the way to the collar. I'm not really used to having something buttoned all the way up, so I could see how this would feel restrictive after a while, but I think I like the look for now. But if I wanted to wear it a little more open, I think that would be okay too. I really like the puff sleeves. Hopefully this is something that packs well. For those who know me know that I am an iron girl, so I would like it to look crisp. But if need be, I will definitely find the laundry room or send it out to be pressed so that it looks nice and crisp. I like a crisp white shirt on women or men, for myself, for others. I just think it's a nice look. So what do we think? Sleeves too much? Do I need to puff them up some more? I like it. I think it's another good thing. I hope you guys are enjoying this unboxing try on Temu video with me. If you are, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that. It's free. And I enjoy having the company. I just realized that there's not a packing slip in this package. I guess that's a thing with Temu. I remember that from the first time I ordered from them, and I wish that they would include it in there. I have to say, I know that I ordered this. I don't know what the Amazon Prime days, they're not called Prime days in October. Whatever those sale days were on Amazon this October was when I ordered these items. And I know that I got extra coupons, and you got to spin the little virtual wheel and got another discount. So I don't know exactly the prices, but I'm gonna see if I can pull that up and let you know how I did. But I know the prices were really reasonable, and that was why I wanted to go ahead and give it a try and see how I like the things that I picked out. So let me see if I can find that order form. Let's see what else. I think this might just be a turtleneck shirt. A turtleneck top. Black. I was trying to stick to basic colors. That way I can mix and match it. It is a little bit of a turtleneck. Longer though, a longer top. So I will see how that goes. This I think will be another good layering piece. You can see with it all just straight down. It has like this slit detail on the side, which is kind of cool. I'm sure I could, get creative and knot it if I wanted or something like that. But I also could leave it hang straight. Anyway, black turtleneck. This outfit, I believe, is something that I could use for dinner. Dress up for dinner. Although maybe not right for Alaska. The colors are pretty bright and vibrant that remind me more of the Caribbean, but maybe I need to take a little Caribbean sunshine with me, at least in spirit, on an Alaskan cruise. You guys, I did not remember that this was basically a one piece, a jumpsuit. It's a little long for me, just a little. I'll have to try it on with heels to see if that will be enough. If not, I will do a little hem on it. I love the colors. Again, not sure. I don't know, maybe I want to brighten it up a little bit for Alaska, but it's very comfortable, very soft. I think I like the way it fits, except for the length, but you know, what can we do about that? Little hem. Yeah, I think it's a good thing. I like it. I love the colors. I think it's a good thing. What do we think? So I think I'm gonna try those things on and see how I like the fit. I also got, and I may have to do a separate video about this, a little wireless lavalier microphone set. I've seen some other vloggers try these out and they seem to work pretty well, so I'm gonna give it a whirl as well.